What if one small action today could help save our planet tomorrow? Watch this easy English conversation and discover how you can make a difference.
The importance of environment. Hi, Daniel. What are you reading today?
Hi, Emma. I am reading an article about the importance of protecting our environment.
That sounds interesting because the environment is very important for every living thing on Earth.
Yes, without clean air, fresh water, and healthy forests, people, animals, and plants cannot survive.
I have noticed that our weather is becoming hotter every year.
That is true, because pollution and climate change are affecting our planet.
What is the biggest environmental problem, in your opinion?
I think cutting down too many trees is one of the biggest problems, because forests help produce oxygen.
Trees also provide homes for many animals and birds.
Exactly. And they help keep the air clean and the climate balanced.
I also see a lot of plastic waste in parks and rivers.
Plastic pollution is dangerous because animals often eat it and become sick or die.
That makes me feel sad because nature gives us everything we need.
Yes, nature provides food, water, medicine, and beautiful places to enjoy.
Do you think young people can help save the environment?
Of course, every small action can make a big difference when many people work together.
What simple things can students do every day?
They can recycle, plant trees, save electricity, and avoid wasting water.
I always turn off the lights when I leave my room.
That is a wonderful habit because it saves energy and reduces pollution.
I also carry a reusable water bottle instead of buying plastic bottles.
That is another excellent way to reduce plastic waste.
My family enjoys planting flowers and vegetables in our garden.
Gardening helps make the environment greener and more beautiful.
We should also keep our streets and schools clean.
Yes, a clean environment makes our communities healthier and happier.
Why do some people still throw trash on the ground?
Some people are careless, while others do not understand the importance of protecting nature.
Education can help people learn better habits.
I agree, because knowledge inspires people to take responsibility.
Schools should organize more environmental activities.
Activities like tree planting and community cleanup days are very useful.
My classmates joined a cleanup event near our local river last month.
That was a meaningful activity because it helped protect wildlife and inspired others.
We should also encourage our friends to recycle more often.
Yes, teamwork makes environmental protection much more effective.
I think everyone should use fewer plastic bags.
Reusable bags are stronger, cheaper over time, and much better for nature.
Walking or riding a bicycle can also reduce air pollution.
Yes, using public transportation is another good way to protect the environment.
We should never waste clean water because it is a precious resource.
Every drop of water is valuable for people, animals, and plants.
I believe every person has a responsibility to care for our planet.
I completely agree, because Earth is the only home we all share.
If we protect nature today, future generations will enjoy a healthier world.
That is why we should act now instead of waiting for others.
Even small daily actions can create big positive changes.
Yes, kindness toward nature is kindness toward ourselves.
I will continue doing my best to protect the environment every day.
I will do the same and encourage my family and friends to join me.
Together, we can make our communities cleaner and greener.
Together, we can create a brighter future for everyone.
Let us remember that every tree, river, and animal is precious.
Let us respect and protect all forms of life on Earth.
Saving nature means saving our future.
Every positive action begins with one caring person.
I hope more people will love and protect the environment.
I believe that together we can make a real difference.
Thank you for sharing your thoughts with me today.
You're welcome, Emma. Let's save nature and build a better future for everyone.